This is one of those questions where you need to demonstrate that you understand what they're saying. So if two rectangles have the same perimeter, they must have the same area. Well, it's not true, and this is why. Well, why did they disappear? Let's try this again. Here's a rectangle. It has a height of 2 and a width of 6. So its perimeter is going to be 2 times 6, which is 12, plus 2 times 2, which is 4. So its perimeter is 16 centimetres, or 16 units. Its area is going to be 6 times 2, which is 12 centimetres squared. So let's draw another one. This one has length of 7 and height of 1, so its perimeter is also 16. 7 plus 7 is 14, 1 plus 1 is 2, so that's a perimeter of 16, but its area is much smaller. It's just 1 times 7, because the area is the length times the height of the rectangle. So your answer would need to say something like, we can draw rectangles with the same perimeter, and you've demonstrated that. Both have a perimeter of 16, but the areas may be different. So I think you've proved that Megan is wrong. And you should circle the no, which I'm going to do in a second.